Hey guys, today's video, we wanted to find out the sex of a baby, but we didn't want to find out like at an ultrasound or even in a big like reveal. It's just not really our personality types. We're kind of,
I don't know, we're not like big party throwers or like...
We knew we wanted to find out together, and you know, so many people are like, how are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do like smoke cannons? Or I kind of just wanted to find out just the two of us out in nature, like having a picnic and just relaxed, and we can process it and be excited about it together and talk about it, and like...
Not in a hospital setting and like with a nurse that we don't know or a doctor that we don't know. And
not with like a party full of people looking at us for our reactions. We're just kind of wanting to like find out together.
Yeah. And then we'll tell everybody. So we might do that for them.
Yeah,
too.
we might do that for them, but just for us finding out, I feel like I needed it to be like peaceful and chill and just like, just us.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And you.
Oh, and you, whoever you are. So Zach thinks it's a boy.
I do.
I don't know.
All the tests we did the other night, we did like 20 of them, and like 15 out of 20 of those tests that we did the other night.
It's like an old wives' tale, like predicting
yeah.
the sex of the baby. I think like we did 18 of them, and 15 of them came back girl, which is interesting. We'll see.
That's purple.
Okay. All right, we got one girl result.
Girl. Are you carrying high? If so, you are having a girl. Let's see.
Ugh.
I'll pull the sweater up a little. Let's see. I would say you're carrying medium. So that one is kind of like it could go either way. You're feeling cold and icy?
No, I'm feeling hot.
That's a girl.
Girl?
Hot and sweaty is a girl.
Oh my god, 4 for girl.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Baby moved.
She did a flip.
Yep.
152.
Girl.
That's a girl. If both your age and the year you were conceived in are even, you're having a girl.
32 and 2020. Both even.
Girl. Whoa. Morning sickness?
I only had it for 2 weeks and then it went away.
You've had it though. That's a girl.
I got it, yes. Girl?
Girl.
Oh my gosh.
Another one.
If it swings in a circle, it's a boy. If it's back and forth, you're a girl.
It's a girl. You're a girl, Belly.
Yeah, back and forth.
Girl.
Your husband also put on some baby weight. Wives' tale says it's a girl. Oh man, have I put on some weight. If you're able to eat a lot of garlic but not smell like it, apparently that means you're carrying a girl.
Who wants to test this theory?
What do they even mean by eat a lot of garlic? Like, hold out your hands? When someone asks you to hold out your hands, how do you do it? If you extend your hands palm up, you'll have a girl. If you extend your hands palm down, boy. Boy!
Boy, okay. And at the end of the day, I do not care one way or the other. I just want a healthy baby.
Yeah, I don't care either. Just health
just
is
fun.
Most important, and all this stuff was just for fun. Yeah.
Okay. So.
But I don't know. For whatever reason, like I just feel like boy. For whatever reason, she feels like girl, but like she's confused now because I've been saying like boy.
I just don't have any clue. And I had a dream last night that we found out that it was a boy.
But I think that's probably just because of me saying it so often. But who knows? Nobody knows.
Only this knows. Okay, what does everybody think?
Seeing my daughter on a riding lawnmower, I've concluded that it's a boy.
Oh, that's what okay. I think it's a girl. Girl? Mm-hmm. I think it's a girl.
Not to be biased, but this is what I've been listening to for the last couple months, so I can't really argue with the logic on it.
You agree? You think
4
it's a girl?
girls, 1 boy.
Oh my gosh, I can't actually believe that in just a little bit I'm gonna know. Do you wanna go find out? Yes!
How are you doing? Peel something?
Yeah, we got peon cabbages, all of us. We put them all in a pile.
We had the ultrasound yesterday and we purposely told her, do not tell us. So we have no idea. We've had this envelope in our car for like at least 8 weeks. And we could have found out literally when I was 12 weeks pregnant. But for some reason, we just didn't feel ready to know yet. Yesterday, when we had that, ultrasound, I feel like we were like, okay, now's the time to find out. We're at the point where we're halfway. I turned 20 weeks today.
Wow.
So that's kind of good. It's a good day to find out.
Halfway there.
Halfway there, living on a prayer.
You feel like you're stalling.
I am stalling.
I think we're ready. We'll see. Nah, we're ready. I don't care either way.
I just can't believe this is when we're gonna find out.
Open it.
Okay, I guess we're gonna find out.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No. I think I'm ready. We don't know yet.
I can't tell. Hang on, we are having a... Okay, everybody say what they think it is.
It's a boy!
It's a girl! Okay.
It's on the next one. I can see it's highlighted.
We're having a... 3, 2, 1.
Boy! I was right! Boy! It's a boy! I knew it! We're having a little baby boy! I was right! Oh, I knew it! We're having a little baby Zach!
I didn't think I would cry.
Oh, baby! I like to see you cry.
Oh my God. We're having a boy. We're having a boy.
That's
not a son. What the hell? You're
Oh, yes. Oh my God, that's so cool. You called it. You called it. That's so cool.
Oh my God.
Check that. I don't want to step on
Oh my.
Can you believe it?
No.
I kind of can because I guessed it and I told you. I literally told you. Oh, how did I know?
I don't know.
All the tests, wives' tales don't know anything.
I think it's because I have a niece, and so I've just always felt like she's what I'm gonna have.
Would be like that.
Wow.
See, I can't picture my child, so I don't know. I just had a feeling. I can't picture it, but I'm excited. I'm so excited. I would have been excited either way, but like it's.
We're having a boy.
We're having a boy.
A little baby boy.
Little baby Zach.
What the heck? I swear to God. I'm a mommy. You're a daddy. Wow.
We're having a boy. I know how to do it because I was.
You was it?
I was him.
Oh my gosh. What? A boy, a little baby boy.
Little baby boy. Crap.
Crap! You're already such a dad. We're having a son.
I gotta watch my language.
I cannot. Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my God. We're gonna have a little baby boy running around here.
That's exciting.
I can't believe we know. I can't believe we know.
I feel like a little bit out of body. Like,
I feel out of body so completely.
Wow. I can see now, I guess, I can see why people want to be, because now I just want to tell everybody. I can see why you'd want to be around everyone at the,
It would be lovely. I get it, but I needed this moment to just have you here. Wow.
Get a good boy in there.
Oh my
A real good boy.
boy.
I always knew you were a boy. She wouldn't listen.
I didn't know. I couldn't tell. We're gonna have our little picnic and sit here and be in disbelief and enjoy this moment together and talk about all the things.
Talk about what name, I guess.
I don't know. I
for
could never
starters.
name him. Him? Okay. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. I just have to sit here and have a moment.
Just knowing is like it makes it even more real.
It's so real now.
It's like, it's weird. I didn't think it would happen. And she didn't think it would happen. Now it's happening. And now I don't know how to react.
I don't know how to live.
act. I just don't.
Oh my goodness.